everyone, welcome to Online Study for You, one-step solution for all your placement needs. Guys, we are back with another recruitment that is from Micro Focus, right? So the role for which they are hiring for is software engineer system. I will tell you about the eligibility criteria. Branch eligible and all the things. So make sure to watch the complete video. It is going to be very helpful for all of you. Right. Also, do subscribe our new YouTube channel that is Online Study for You Jobs. All the videos which we have removed from Online Study for You channel, they all are going to be uploaded on Online Study for You Jobs itself. Right. So do subscribe Online Study for You and Online Study for You Jobs, both the channels. Also, if you haven't installed our Online Study for You app till now, do install. This app is definitely going to be very, very helpful for you. And also, we are taking live classes on Online Study for You app, the live classes. So make sure to join me at today's live class, today's coding live class. So see you there. The timing for the coding live class is 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. So Micro Focus is hiring for software engineer systems. As you can see, about the job description, they have mentioned designs, develops, troubleshoots, and debug software programs for software enhancement and new products. Develop software including operating system, compilers, routers, networks, utilities, databases, and internet related tools. Determines hardware compatibility and influence hardware design. About responsibilities, they have mentioned that codes and programs, enhancement, updates, and change for portions and subsystems of system software, including operating system, compilers, networking, utilities or so. Executes established test plans and protocols for assigned portions of code, develops understanding of and relationship with internal and outsourced development partners, participate as a member of project team of other software engineers and internal and outsourced development partners to develop reliable, cost-effective, and high-quality solutions. Even you can go through it once. The link for this job role is provided in the description itself. Now about education and experience required, they have mentioned that bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, information system or equivalent, typically 0 to 2 years of experience is required, right? So even freshers can apply for this job role. Knowledge and skills they have mentioned is experience or understanding of software system, design tools and languages, good analytical and problem solving skills, understanding of design for software systems running on multiple platform types, understanding of basic testing, coding and debugging procedures, good written and verbal communication skills, and masters in English and local language. Job is of engineering. So this is something regarding Micro Focus, right? So this is a wonderful opportunity for all of you. And see, the location will be provided to you if you got selected for this role is Bangalore. Now for applying, what you have to do, so just click on this apply now button. Then you will be redirected to this page, right? So either you can simply apply with LinkedIn. So all the details that they are looking for here will be automatically filled, right? Or you can upload your resume also, right? So here what you have to provide the information, you have to mention the country name, then you have to give your name, right? So all these options, see, you have to fill required options only. So family name, local given name, all these are not important, so you can leave them blank. Provide your email address. Here you can provide city and phone number also. Then you have to mention that how did you hear about us. And after this, just after filling these details, just click on next. After clicking on next, you will be redirected to this page. So here you have to mention your work experience if you are holding any. Like if you have worked as an intern somewhere for some company, so you can mention, just click on add experience and then you can mention the things. Then you have to add education. So just provide the university name, degree, field of study, overall CGPA, right? So just fill out the details. Then you have to mention the skills that you are having, that is programming skills or any other skills that you are having, leadership and all also you can mention. Then if you are having any sort of additional attachments that you want to provide them, so you can do this even, right? Also, if you are having any sort of portfolio of yours, so that also you can add in this ad website, right? So after filling out this detail, you will be forwarded to application questions. Then voluntary disclosures, and then they will give you a chance to review all the applications, so that in case of any mistake you can edit your application. And that's it, you have to submit the application. And further communication, like if you got shortlisted according to your resume or so further mail will be provided to you by the company itself. So make sure to check your mail on daily basis. All the best guys, do apply. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.